Greetings everyone! In this video, we will show you how to install a vestibule connector using the Bereg UP2 Deluxe tent as an example. Unfold the vestibule connector and attach it to the tent using the built-in zipper. Unfold the frame arch, making sure the joints are facing outward with the open side. Find the detachable zipper on the vestibule and insert the frame into it. Place the arch ends into the zipper pockets and gradually close the zipper while holding the vestibule. Install the support spacers into the special pockets on the side walls. Insert one end of the spacer into the pocket on the tent side. Then gently bend the spacer and place the opposite end into the pocket on the outer side. Close the entrance zippers so the vestibule takes its proper shape, then secure it with stakes and guy lines. If necessary, fasten the lower strap and adjust its length to provide additional frame stability. The vestibule connector is installed. Now you have extra space for storing your gear, as well as a connector to Bereg sauna tents. The vestibule connector is made of durable Oxford fabric with a water-repellent coating, and the seams are sealed to prevent leaks. The frame is made from 8 mm aluminum alloy rods. The entrance is equipped with a mosquito net. For more tips and useful information, visit our blog. The link is in the description below. We wish you pleasant and comfortable travels.